Hello guys, what's up? Ultimate Money Grower here. In today's video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step process to deposit in Binance if you are in Canada. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing today is the I think it's the most easiest uh, way for us to deposit in Binance if you are in Canada. All right. So there's actually several ways to deposit in Binance. However, if you are in Canada, which we are using Canadian dollars here, it's actually suspended as of the moment. So we'll be waiting for the update about that. But now, even if the Canadian dollars is still suspended, as you can see, let me show you. Where is it? There you go. Oh, no, no. Okay, hang on. Okay. All right. So if you click on this Canadian dollars, normally you won't be able to go through this one because it will always say that the Canadian dollars is suspended. So I suggest you don't go through this process if you buy crypto directly using your credit card or anything. Okay. So what I'll be showing you today is a way where you can deposit your Canadian dollars in Binance, but there would be like a forex thing that will happen. So it would be under in this section that would be the P2P, that would be the peer-to-peer transaction. So if you'd go in the P2P transaction, as what you can see here, there are a lot of coins available. So if normally you'd go to the P2P trading, all right, on this upper right section, click on it. So since we are going to be depositing Canadian dollars to our Binance account, we are looking to buy US dollars uh, in exchange of our Canadian dollars. All right. So in this fiat is the currencies like dollars, US dollars, Canadian dollars, Mexican peso. Anyway, so you choose the Canadian dollars like this one. I already selected it. So there's a lot of options here. You have the dirhams, uh, but I choose the Canadian dollars. Okay. So as what you can see here, the advertisers section, there's a lot of advertisers in this section. So their pricing varies. This seller sells the $1 to 1.29 CAD, 130, and so on and so forth. Okay. So basically, it's just like Forex. It's just an exchange market. All right. And basically, what you need to choose is it depends on your size that you want to buy or you want to exchange. Okay. So for this seller 1.29 kite, his minimum exchange is 933. I'll be showing you up, but first let me explain this section, the all payments. You need to choose which one, I mean which payment, I mean what type of payment are you gonna be using for you to pay this seller. Okay, so in Canada, I normally what I use is the Interact e-transfer, this one. All right. This is, I think, the fastest way for me. Okay. So basically, if you choose different types of methods for you to transfer, for example, hang on, let me check. It depends on your bank. For example, you have the RBC Royal Bank, for example. Okay. So this guy accepts RBC Royal Bank payments. All right, and let's go back to Interact. So if you're gonna be using Interact, this is the type of payments that they would accept. The payment methods. All right. So these are the sellers willing to accept this type of payment method. So going back to the limit or the available funds that they have. So this seller can, for example, Ken 6740, he has 5,307.99 US dollars available for purchase or for exchange. And what he did is he put a limit, like you need to buy at least 1,500 Canadian dollars to him. So I think it really depends on your size. If you can manage to like buy this minimum amount, then go for it. But if you like wanna try Binance first with a low amount, you can like choose, for example, this one, Montreal Exchange. This limit is $10. If you'd go to buy, so his minimum is at least $10. Once you pay him $10, you'd get 7.69 US dollars in exchange for you to start trading in Binance. Because I believe the US dollars is the most like it's the universal currency that you can trade any cryptocurrency here in Binance. Okay, so I won't show you this one, but let me go through it. If you buy, oh sorry, oh my bad, the ad has been updated. Let me get back to it. Okay, hang on. There you go. hmm Where is that one? Okay, for example, I choose this seller who says minimum is 100, just for example. So let's put 100. So I'd receive 76.92 if I'd buy to the seller using the Interact e-transfer if you're in Canada, okay? This is exclusively for Canadians only, all right? If you click buy USDT, successfully place an order, so you'd be redirected to this page. Okay, in this page, the seller, you can chat with him or her. He provided his account number, also his name, where you can transfer it. That would be through your mobile app, I guess, I believe. If you have like a Canadian bank account, I believe you can use your mobile app banking account for this one. So you can transfer it on your end. Once you transfer successfully, you need to click this one, transferred next. All right. So I won't go through this because I wasn't able to transfer anything. This is just for educational purposes. So basically, what after you transferred her your account, I mean your payment, you need to click this transferred next and then confirm. All right. So I already did transferred earlier. So let me show you. Okay. So for you to check, once you click transferred next, for you to check on the currency that you receive, you go in wallet. All right, and go to fiat on spot. There you go. So I think there was last night. I transferred 200 Canadian dollars, so I received around 162. This is just for you to show you guys that I received the amount. Okay, so it really depends on the exchange or the price that they are putting there. I believe I purchased this at around 1.32, 31. I mean, so I received 100 something, 162 something. Okay, all right. So I think that was it. Well, once you got this on your amount, I mean on your account, uh, what you need to do is you'll be receiving USDT. That would be this one. All right. So you should be seeing something like this. All right. And you need to transfer it on this one. Transfer. So from fiat on spot, you need to transfer it to a different. No, no, no. From P2P, by the way, that would be to fiat on spot. And the coin, that would be USDT and a max. So I can show it right now because I already transferred it last night. You need to transfer the ones that you converted. That would be the US dollars that you purchased. You need to transfer it from your P2P, right? Because that was from the P2P transaction to your fiat on spot. That would be your wallet for you to trade in Binance. And you need to select the coin that you purchased. That would be the USDT, I believe. And then that's it. So once you get this balance, you can go to trade and do your thing. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.